Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Sugar Bites Beauty. My name is Myra. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Trendmood Volume 23 box. So this one I got yesterday. It arrived super fast. I was super excited that I was able to get it. And let me show you what's inside. I want to see. There are her boxes. I'm gonna link her down below. I think right now she's doing them pretty much every month, but there are a couple things that will vary on the boxes, like colors and stuff like that. So we're gonna see what we received. This is what the box looks like inside. I did open it, so we're gonna take everything out one by one. Okay, so the first thing in here, and I'm actually super excited about this one. Okay, it is the Vida Glow Natural Marine Collagen. So it's this big box right here, and this is, I got the pineapple flavor, and I think the other one was mango. And it is, let's see, there's 30 servings in here, and it says it helps promote glowing skin and smooth fine lines. Listen, at my age, I can definitely use all of this. And let's see, benefits. It helps decrease the appearance of wrinkles, increases skin elasticity, and it boosts skin hydration. And it says that you just blend one of the little packets, 1 to 3 per day. Okay, so, okay, it comes sealed and everything. Let's open that up. I'm gonna see it. I didn't pre-open any of this stuff, okay? So we're gonna see it together. To the side. Oh, okay, so it's a little sleeve. Maybe. Maybe not. Listen, your girl is struggling over here, okay? There we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we open it up. Ooh. And there's the little packets inside. And that's what they look like. Yay! I'm actually gonna do one of these right now. It's still super early here, so we're gonna try that today. Okay, next thing in here is from Tangle Teezer, and it's the detangling hairbrush. And there were 2 colors. It was this light pink, and I think there was a darker pink. So there is that, and I love brushes, so that's cool. Next thing in here, we got the Charlotte Magic Water Cream. This is fragrance-free, normal to oily, super hydrating, lightweight gel cream moisturizer from Charlotte Tilbury. And we're gonna pop it open. And this is the actual cream. I'm excited. And if you've seen my other unboxings, we did get another Charlotte Tilbury in another box. So, and it was the lighter version of this. So that's pretty cool. Next thing in here is from Benefit Cosmetics. It's the Benetint. It's a rose tinted lip and cheek stain. It's this right here. And this is what it looks like. This is like an OG product. I remember this one from years and years ago. It was super popular, super big. But the other thing in here is going to be from Colourpop. And this is the Super Shock eyeshadow in the shade Tonight 22D2. So that's the packaging. And I love the Super Shock shadows. Unfortunately on me, I don't use them so much that I actually go through them. They end up drying out on me. So this is the shade, and that is so gorgeous. And I love the Super Shock because they're so sparkly, so glittery, and I have to have sparkle in all my makeup looks, okay? I am not a matte type of person when it comes to eyeshadow. So love this. Next thing in here is from Danessa Myricks, and it is the Colourfix Liquid Metals. And this is a waterproof metallic liquid pigment, multi-use, all over face. And I got the shade Gilded. And there were 3 different variations that you could get. It was this one, the Liquid Metals, one that is a little bit more like glittery, and then one that was clear with like glitter. So I'm actually really happy I got this one because this is the one that I wanted. I gotta swatch this. I'm just gonna do a little bit. But this is what it looks like, the little tube. And that is so nice. That's what it looks like on the finger. And that is the swatch right there. Look at that. Oh, I absolutely love that. Okay, let me get my little towel because there's still 2 more stuff in here. That, you guys, is so pretty, and I'm so happy I got that one. Okay, next thing in here is from Beauty Blender. This is the Blending Queen, and it has the little beauty blender in there, and it has a soap on the bottom. I actually still have like 5 different beauty blenders, but you can never have enough of those. Eventually, I gotta trade them off. And the last thing in the box is gonna be the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand Highlighter, and we got the shade Rose Quartz. That's what that looks like. And I'll pop it open. So while I do this, I gotta tell you that Charlie Tilbury moisturizer alone is like $100. I'm pretty sure it's a $100 one because there's like 2 sizes, I think. This box was only, I ended up paying under $50 because I think it was like 46 bucks with their discount and everything. This is the little applicator, and then you squeeze it and you can see the product come out. And this is a very pretty, very light, right there. You see that? It's a really pretty highlighter. And my skin is like almost a nudie color. But that's really pretty. So, like I was saying, I paid under 50 bucks for this. And this alone is over $100 or $100. So, I am definitely thrilled. I definitely suggest that if you want, go check out her Instagram. Follow the Trendmood Box Instagram. She gives you the hints of what's going to be in it. And then all the launch information of when you'll be able to purchase. So I am absolutely thrilled. This is a fantastic box. Can't wait to try all the stuff in here. And thank you guys so much for joining. Let me know if you were able to get it. She did say on there that this box sold out in like minutes. Usually the other ones, I mean, you can still get them after a couple hours, but this one totally sold out, and I can totally see why. But let me know if you were able to pick it up. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.